How to create a trading strategy with Chatgpt. The use of artificial intelligence has been on the rise in many industries, and the new AI that is making headlines now is Chatgpt. By now, who doesn't know about this new AI technology and how it has overtaken the world? It has been framed to help with coding trading strategies and indicators, as well as suggesting the direction of financial markets in the future. This AI can help you create technical indicators, trading strategies based on specific indicators, and even trading algorithms. It can also offer sentiment analysis and prediction models to help you make better trading decisions. Chatgpt helped me find a profitable trading strategy, and today, I'm going to walk you through all the prompts I used to help me figure out what the strategy is. But before that, if you're interested in making money in different and new ways, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. Make sure to watch the video until the end for some advice, and let's get started. But first, what are the most important factors to consider when using Chatgpt? The most important factors are what you want it to do for you. You must clearly know what you want it to create for you. It could be an indicator using your preferred data or a strategy based on an indicator. The wording of your request. You must get your wording right, because if not, what the AI would generate may not be up to the mark or helpful. And lastly, how to copy the strategy to your trading platform. Because sometimes when you copy the codes generated by the AI into the trading platform, they do not work because some characters and spaces are lost in the copying process. Now, first of all, we're going to open the landing page of Chatgpt. All you need to do is type in your question here. So let's say that, what's the trading plan that AI thinks I need? AI can't trade, but it tells me that if I want to make a trading plan, it will help me develop goals and risk tolerance to make a strategy. It's really crucial to have a great score strategy. Also, you need to work on risk management and risk reward, and then all other details you can put in later. So the first thing I need is a strategy, and that's the first thing we're going to do. To get a strategy, you have to have an edge, and you can use that with supply and demand indicators, candlesticks, and everything else. So next we're going to ask it, what are the top indicators to trade with? And then ask the AI how to trade that certain indicator. And then we're going to combine the two indicators together to get even higher information and a better trading plan. Because any of these indicators only have a 50 to 40% win rate, and that's not even with a good risk to reward. So you can't be a profitable trader with one indicator. Now we have our top 5 indicators that we can use, which are moving averages, Bollinger Bands, relative strength index, MACD, and candlestick patterns. So now we're going to take one of these and just ask the AI how to trade with it. Let's take the relative strength index, also known as the RSI, one of the most common indicators out there. A reading above 70% is considered overbought, so that would be where the market really can't go higher. A reading below 30 is oversold. The market really can't go lower. Chatgpt knows this and says traders look for opportunities to sell when you're at 70 and opportunities to buy when you're at 30. So the AI is telling us a coherent trading plan just with RSI. And this isn't like Google where you have to go through ads and hit a block and then see more ads, pop-ups, and everything else. This is a quick, easy fix with no fluff to it. Now let's ask Chatgpt how to combine RSI with moving averages to make a trading plan. And it comes together with something that is actually worthwhile to test. So as we read through this, looking for the buy signal, I want it to tell me more when I should buy with RSI and when I should buy with the moving average. So we put that together, and I think my confirmation is either going to be at the 70 or 30 level. Primarily below 70 is a buy, and above 70 is a short. So that's our 2 buy and sell signals for RSI. Now moving averages, what we want to see is the bottom part. If the price is above the moving average, it's considered an uptrend or a buy. But if it's below the moving average, it's a downtrend or a sell. Now what we'll do is basically combine the RSI below 30 and we go back to the moving average. So buy 2 signals. Together should give us a great trading strategy. And I'm going to do all this back testing right in front of you. Lastly, all I want to do is ask the AI the risk to reward for a trader. So if I'm going into the trade, I'd like to know now what my buy signal is and how much I'm going to risk for the possible reward. Now I'm trying to get a dollar move in SPY, but risk $1 down or risk 50 cents down? It depends on what Chatgpt is going to tell me where I need to put those profit orders and stop losses. More is better. 2 to 1, 3 to 1, you make more money in the trade, but a 1 to 1 is okay. The AI says that if you add just a 1 to 1, you're all good. So we're going to take this and start backtesting. So here I am on tradingview.com. It's one of the best places you can edit code and also test it out. You can see if it has any value for you to risk your own money. You don't want to risk your money in the markets when you don't have data to tell you if your money has a chance to make even more money. If you can copy it off the screen, it's basically just the RSI. So if you double click it, what you see is the best scenario. The best results on multiple time frames, the best risk to reward, and the best profit potential. Here you can view the SMA length. So if you double click it, what you see is the best scenario, the best results on multiple time frames, the best risk to reward, and the best profit potential. Here you can view the SMA length. See which moving average is the best to use by clicking buttons and testing that. So all you need to do is click Strategy Tester to see the profit factor. Now the AI strategy is showing up a lot of promise, and as you go through the chart, you can see the code is correct. A good combo with a good risk to reward. Chatgpt can help you make better decisions by providing insight and information from large amounts of unstructured data, such as financial news articles, social media posts, and other sources. It can even help you with sentiment analysis, where you're able to identify positive or negative sentiments about a particular stock or market trend and use that in making trading decisions. Chatgpt makes technical analysis a bit easier for traders, allowing them to identify price patterns and trends, which can help them make even better trading decisions. Although it can be a powerful tool for extracting insights from unstructured financial market data, making predictions, and coding technical strategies, beware that codes generated by Chatgpt may contain bugs that can prevent them from executing or running on faulty logic and give false signals. You need to understand the coding language to fix them because Chatgpt is no easy fix if you can't code. So that's all for you today, guys. What do you think about this strategy? Let me know in the comments section, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so don't miss out on this new money making technique. Until next time,